Federal Executive Council don't agree make them use 92.1 billion naira to construct the second runway for Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport. Federal Executive Council don't give green light for them to use 92.1 billion naira to construct the second runway for Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport when they say Abuja. Federal Executive Council talk this one 24 hours after Oga Buhari tell Minister of Finance make she provide special money for this second runway. Aviation Minister Hadi Sirika say the construction when go complete for 1 year don't divide enter 6 lots. The construction gets fencing, drainage, motor to quench fire and other better things.
This is a very significant project. The same way that federal government had sourced money for railway, sourced money for refineries, sourced money for education and hospital, in the same way and manner that they will source money and fund this very important project that will increase the efficiency of our airport and create natural linkage to our economies.
The council constantly will make international training funds collaborate with other government agencies to train 50,000 empower youths when no be graduate with handwork.
We are also going to get an exit strategy for them, collaborating with different government agencies that have such programs. For instance, the Federal Ministry of Sports and Youth, where they have the Youth Development Fund, in which they support specialized skills for these youths. We are also going to approach the private sector for those who want to go along that line. This is part of government's national social investment programs geared towards supporting our teeming unemployed population, especially the youth.
The council constantly talk about how they go amend laws for the country when go make them easy to do business for Nigeria.
We were on 2 occasions named as one of the 10 top most improved economies in the world over the last 3 years. It is equally worth mentioning that in February 2022, the National Bureau of Statistics announced that Nigerian economy grew by 3.4%, the strongest since 2014, and which accounted for increased productivity. The whole essence of the bill is to consolidate on these gains, consolidate on the reforms, and ensuring at the end of the day, our laws are dynamic in terms of accommodative of the international best practices for the purpose of attraction of more investments into the Nigerian state.
Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami took mouth for one court judgment when the talk said make the minister delete section 84 subsection 12 of the new Electoral Act.
Deletion of section 84 subsection 12 is a work in progress and is being considered as such.
Omo Aluke, Azikiwe, TMC TV News.